Traffic rules. Very good. What are the rules?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shweta Padma. I am taking
Traffic rule.
When the red light blinks, what did it indicate? Red light. Very good. Thank you.
Good. Wow. Clap, clap, clap for Kavya and class UKG. Wow.
What is this? What is this project?
Say loudly. Say loudly.
Loudly you say. Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. What is the mechanism?
Good evening, everyone. My name is respect teachers and friends. My name is Joyita C. Our project is on the water cycle. The sun hits the water in rivers and seas. The water changes into water vapor and goes up. This is called evaporation. The water vapor forms clouds. This is called condensation. When the clouds become heavy, then falls. This is called precipitation. The rainwater goes to bed, rivers and seas. This process is called water cycle. Thank you.
Very good. Wow. Wow. Wonderful, Joyita.
What is this project?
Kidney.
What are the meanings of kidney? What it does? Tell about this.
Kidney is a very important organ of our body. We have two kidneys. The kidney clean our blood. Our blood has dirt and it's stored in it. The kidney filters the dirty things and make urine. This helps our body to stay clean and healthy. Thank you.
Very good. Wow. Well done. Well done.
Class 3, solar project. Here is the rain alarm. They will show the demo. Show the demo to sir. You explain. You show. You explain.
When the rain will fall, we forgot to take out the clothes inside the hole. So this is the process how the clothes will go inside automatically. Then when the rain stops, the alarm will off. Then the clothes will come outside again.
What is the mechanism? How it
Sir, it is water dispensing system and it is human lungs. A very good evening to honorable judges and my respected teachers. We have
Vice Captain School Monitor. Terrible side. There's the red house.
made the two models. One is automatic water dispensing system, another one is human lungs. Water is very precious resource in our earth. Yet it is wasted in a large number every day, and also many people touch the tap with dirty hands. So it also causes the hygienic problem. To overcome these problems, we have designed an automatic water dispensing system. Now, my team member will show how it works.
Now demonstrate the lungs.
One part is used. Now see that one. I'll explain. We'll explain.
Good evening.
GOBB petrol pump. Yes, it's not like this.
Good evening, respected judges and my teachers. Our project showcases the biogas plant. It shows the conversion of waste organic into new clean renewable energy. This is a biological process called anaerobic digestion. What is biogas? Biogas is a mixture of gases made in the absence of oxygen when the waste organic decomposes. It mainly contains methane 55 to above 65%, carbon dioxide 30 to 40%, and small amounts of hydrogen sulfide and water vapor. This is the inlet collector where the cow dung and the kitchen residues are put in and mixed with water to form a slurry. This is the digester from where the main biogas plant comes out, and this is the gas chamber. Now I will show you the demonstration.
A very good evening each and everyone present here. We are the students of class 6 presenting a pollution model. Basically our model is of land pollution, air pollution and water pollution. The objective of our project is to show that environmental pollution is interconnected. So basically we are showing here air pollution which is polluting water and soil, and land pollution which is polluting the water, air and the land, and the cycle of the pollution: air pollution, then acid rain happens, then salt and water pollution, runoff and evaporation layers. Environmental impact: because of this intercontinental pollution, soil fertility decreases, water becomes unsafe for drinking and aquatic life, air quality worsens, affecting human health. Pollution entered the food chain, impacting animals and human ecosystem because unstable, leading to loss of biodiversity. In conclusion, our model highlights that air, water and soil are interconnected with each other and pollution spread through natural environmental process. This model emphasizes the cycle and transfer of pollution, increasing while environmental protection must consider the whole system. Thank you everyone. Yes sir, it's air pollution.
Where's the glass first? Wait. 2 or 3? 3.
Anyone please come.
Me is the donor here.
I'm also saying like that. Thank you.
I have donated already for 2 times. No?
Then today also you donate, no?
You are right.
Yes, sir.
No need to worry, sir. They are experienced in taking the blood.
Be careful.
Be careful.
ऊपर जाना. हाँ, take out the slide. And explain it while you are doing the
Be careful. Be careful.
Now, first step, we will take the blood in the glass slide. 3 drops of blood we will take.
Now explain what are these?
Now, antigen A, antigen B, and anti-D.
What is that?
This is the antigen B. This is antigen B. Damage factor. Anti-D.
If you don't touch it, come back.
One of you do. Just don't mix up.
Hold it and
And your blood group is O positive. Am I correct, sir?
thank you.
लाइट है ना और उसको लेके क्या
Later.
सजाने के लिए
No, not now. Hello.